So I'm here to talk about these 6 stocks listed on the National Stock Exchange of India, and we can talk about the first stock. The first stock I'm going to talk about is CESC. You can see CESC is listed on the National Stock Exchange, and you can see its performance has been good over the years. And in the month of December of 2023, it started going up, and it really was doing really well. And then I thought it was a good opportunity to buy, and I recommended this stock to a lot of people. And this is now not doing well in the short term in January, February, and March, but I think by the end of the year it will recover and will do good in the future coming years. Next stock is GAIL, GAIL. This stock again, I thought in December it was good opportunity to buy. It is doing well after December of 2023. In 2024 it started well, and you can see that the stock has gone up after January of 2024, and it is on an uptrend. It is bullish. Next stock I'm going to talk about is Inox Wind. Inox Wind is having a very big all-time high structure, and you can see it was breaking its resistance of all-time high, which started in the year of 2015. It broke its resistance of 2015 price, and then it was a good opportunity to buy. So I thought it was good stock to buy in Jan of 2023. I mean 24. In December, I identified this stock, and I thought it was a good opportunity to buy. Next stock I'm going to talk about is TexRail. TexRail is not doing well in February and March of 2024, but it started well in January. Again, I thought it was good opportunity to buy in January, and it is on the downside a little bit. You can see here on the screens. And the next stock I'm going to talk about is Sanofi. Not Sanofi, Sandur Manganese, Sandurma. It is again not doing well in the month of February and March, but it was doing well in the month of January of 2024. I again recommended it in the month of January, early part. And the last stock I'm going to talk about is HCL Tech. HCL Tech is doing well after January of 2024. It is on a uptrend, and it looks like that it is going to go up from here. So it is positive, this stock, and this stock is really gonna make a lot of money, it seems, for the investors in the coming years. It is a one to watch for. Thank you very much. If you like my content, if you want me to make some such videos again, and so please subscribe and like. Thank you very much.